Seamless transition tutorial that you can make money from. Hey guys, my name is Aria, I'm a filmmaker. This transition is so simple and it's really interesting. Why I'm saying that? Because as you all know, there are lots of video contents out there. And if your video is not interesting enough, people don't watch it. There are two parts of creating this transition. One is shooting the video and the other is editing. In this video, we only cover the editing part of it. Before we watch the epic B-roll with lots of transitions, hit the like button and then we get into the tutorial. If you have seen my videos so far, you know that in many of these videos I use my old footages. And actually there's a video about why I'm doing it and how I'm doing that. You can check it out here. And the gear I use for shooting this video is very simple. I only use a crop frame Canon DSLR. That's it. No gimbals. I shoot all this video handheld, and for lenses, I use my vintage lenses that you can check out the reviews here. And let me tell you something, editing is a very powerful tool for any video maker out there. Why I'm saying that? Because as you can see from that B-roll, all these videos that I shoot was actually pointless. I wasn't thinking about something. You can actually gather around so many meaningless footages, and with editing, what's your export? A really interesting video. There was many transitions on this video, but I'm gonna show you how I did this one. This is very interesting, and let's get into the Premiere Pro, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. So we have these two clips, clip 1 in upper layer and clip 2 under it. We have this shape that comes in the frame, and before it appears you should match the second footage in appearing of this shape in clip 1. Now under the effect control you can mask the layer 1 using the pen tool, curate the mask, add your first keyframe and animate those keyframes in all of the clip. You can even select 2 or 3 points and move it all together. As you can see, it's very simple. It's just a simple mask. The feather of the mask, you can adjust that. If you want that line to be really sharp, you don't use any feather. But if you want to be a little soft, add little feather to it. And when you're done with adding all the keyframes, you see how it's going. Maybe there's some keyframes is not very accurate. You can correct all of it, and after that maybe some speed ramping can juice it up a little bit. You can play with the speed a little more, and there you go. It's your transition. Question: have you used this transition before? Tell me about your experience down in the comment. And if you didn't use it, tell me what do you think about this transition. And one pro tip, if you like these types of videos, I'm sure you know there are many speed ramping on these videos, and if you shoot in handheld, I really suggest that you use warp stabilization in your software. It really helps your video look more professional. Me, myself, really like the look of handheld shots, but trust me, smooth videos is always more interesting. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, and I will see you all in the next one.